Hi Citra, got a minute?
Sure, Didit. What's on your mind?
I was reflecting on your work here at the electronic distribution company. Have you ever thought about your career purpose?
That's an interesting question. I think about it sometimes. What do you ask?
Well, I've been wondering lately. Distributing electric is a great, but how do we align this work with the deeper sense of purpose?
Good point. For me, I think our work has a purpose when it connects people through technology. What about you?
That a thoughtful perspective. I guess for me, it's about innovation, helping business access cutting edge electronic to improve their operation, feel meaningful.
That's inspiring. Do you feel like our roles here lets us fulfill those purposes?
Honestly, it's a mix. Someday, it feels like we are just moving box around. Other day, when I hear about how our product impact customer, it feel rewarding.
I get that. Maybe the challenge is finding the stories or moments that remind us why we are here.
Exactly. Have ever had a moment where you feel like this is why I do this?
Yes, last year we delivered equipment to a rural school that couldn't afford it without our discount. Knowing that kids can now access technology made me feel proud.
That's a great example. It's moments like that which make the hard work worth it.
I agree. What about you? Any defining moments?
Probably when we help a small startup scale their operation, they were so grateful because our supply chain solution gave them a competitive edge.
That's fantastic. It shows how much impact we can have, even if we don't see it every day.
True, but sometimes I wonder if I should be doing something more directly impactful, like working for a non-profit.
I have had similar thought, but impact come in many forms. Who's to say helping a business isn't as valuable as charity work?
That's good point. I suppose it about perspective.
Exactly. And our company does have initiatives that align with broader goals like sustainability and community out- outreach.
That's true. Maybe I should get involved with some of those projects to feel more connected to my purpose.
Great idea. I think engaging in those initiatives can remind us of the bigger pictures.
Do you think our company does enough to support employees in finding purpose?
They try, but there's always room for improvement. Career development programs could emphasize purpose more, not just performance metric.
Agree. Purpose driven leadership is something I'd like to see more of.
Me too. Leaders who inspire us to connect our personal goals with the company's mission can make a whole difference.
Speaking of goal, do you set personal goal that align with your career purpose?
I try. For example, I want to mentor junior employees and share the skills I have learned here. It feels purposeful to help others grow.
That's wonderful. Mentorship is such a meaningful way to give back.
What about you? Any specific goals?
I'd like to lead a project that focuses on expanding our service to underserved regions that feel purposeful to me.
That's ambition but impactful. I think you do great at that.
Thanks, Chitra. Taking 2 hours helped me organize by talk.
Likewise, did it. These conversations are important. They remind us why we are here.
Absolutely. Let's keep finding ways to make our work for purposeful.
Count me in. Purpose is what makes a career truly fulfilling.
Hmm. By the way, did you check the shipment schedule for today?
Yes, I did. We have 3 major deliveries to complete today.
That's good. Are the delivery ready?
I already spoke with the logistic team. They are preparing the truck as we speak.
Perfect. What about the inventory update? Did we receive the new stock of smart TV?
Yes, the smart TV arrived yesterday evening. They are already in the warehouse.
Great. Have you informed the sales team?
Not yet. I will send them an update right after our meeting.
Please do. We need to ensure that they know what available for intermediate sale.
Absolutely. By the way, I noticed a delay in the shipment of mobile accessories.
Oh no, what happened?
The supplier mentioned a backlog due to the high demand during the holiday season.
That unfortunate. Did they give an estimate delivery date?
They said it should arrive by next Tuesday.
Alright, let's inform our customer about the delay. It's better to
Is-
manage their expectation.
I will prepare an email draft for the customer service team to send out.
Good idea. How about the campaign for the new laptop series?
The social media team is working on it. They will launch the campaign tomorrow.
Excellent. Have you seen the creative yet?
Yes, they look amazing. The design are fresh and the message is clear.
That's what I like to hear. Oh, by the way, we need to finalize the quarterly sales report.
I'm on it. I have gathered most of the data, but I need your input on the revenue figure.
Sure, let's go over them after lunch.
Sounds good. I will make sure everything else is ready by then.
Perfect. Also, don't forget about the team meeting at 3 p.m.
Thanks for the reminder. What's the agenda?
We'll discuss the sales strategy for the next quarter and some operational update.
Got it. I will prepare my notes.
Great. By the way, did you follow up with the new distributor from Surabaya?
Yes, I had a call with them yesterday. They seem very reliable.
That's a relief. Did they agree to our team?
Yes, we finalized the agreement. They will start with the first order next month.
Excellent work, Chitra. This partnership will really help us expand in East Java.
I think so too. By the way, have we scheduled maintenance for the IT systems?
Not yet. I'll ask the IT department to plan it for next weekend.
Good idea. We can afford downtime during the weekdays.
Exactly. One more thing. How a recruitment process for the new sales executive?
We have shortlisted three candidates. HR will schedule the interview next week.
Perfect. Let me know if you need me to participate in the interview.
Will do. Oh, did it? Have you checked the client feedback from last week's survey?
Yes, I have. Most of the feedback was positive, but some customer request faster delivery time.
That's good to know. Should we discuss this with the logistic team?
Definitely, let's add it to the agenda for today meeting.
All right. Anything else I should prepare?
No, I think we've covered everything for now. Thanks for your help, Citra. I've been thinking about our office environment lately. How do you feel about it?
Hmm, it's mixed bag for me. I like the people here, but sometimes the atmosphere feels a bit too formal. What about you?
I agree. I like the structure, but I think we should use more collaboration space and maybe even a bit more energy in the office.
That's good point. The layout of our office is very traditional. With cubicles and separate office, it can feel isolation at times.
Exactly. Sometimes I feel like I only interact with the people in my department. There's not much opportunity to connect with others.
True, I think having more open space could encourage spontaneous discussion and creativity.
Yes, and maybe adding some common area for informal meeting or brainstorming session would help.
Definitely. What do you think about the overall vibe of the office?
It feels productive but a bit too serious. I think a balance between professionalism and a fun, engaging atmosphere would be ideal.
I couldn't agree more. Small things like decoration, music, or even office, or even office, even could make a difference.
Speaking of event, do you think we have enough team building activity?
Not really. We have occasional meetings or training season, but they are very work focused. Social even are rare.
I think having more casual gathering like lunch and learn of after work event or improve relationship among college.
That's a great idea. When people feel connect, it creates a more positive and supportive work environment.
Exactly. It also boosts morale and can even enhance productivity.
Speaking of morale, how do you feel about the way management interact with employees?
It's okay, but I think it could be more personal. Managers seem approachable, but they don't have a low engage beyond work related matter.
I know what you mean. A little more recognition or casual check-in would go a long way.
Agree. It's nice to feel value for more than just hitting target.
Definitely, how do you think we can make suggestion to improve the environment?
Maybe we could purpose an anonymous survey to gather feedback from everyone. The way management could see what change are needed.
That's a great idea. It shows initiative and give everyone a voice.
I think it's worth bringing up in the next team meeting.
Agreed. Another thing I have noticed the lack of natural light in some areas of the office. It can feel a bit gloomy.
Oh, yes, that's a big one. Adding more plant of even rare zinc decks near window could help.
That and maybe introducing adjustable lighting option for personal workspace. Some people might prefer softer lighting.
That's good idea. It's amazing how small change like that can impact mood and productivity.
Speaking of productivity, do you feel like the office environment support focus work?
To an extent, yes, but it can get noisy sometimes, especially when there are group discussion nearby.
Same here. I think having soundproof room for meeting will help. It will keep noise down without stifling collaboration.
Good point. It's about striking a balance between open communication and respective quiet work zone.
Exactly. What about amenities? Do you think we have enough?
The basic are covered, but maybe adding a few extra like a wellness room or a better coffee station would be nice.
I love a wellness room for quick breaks. It could also double as a space for short meditation or stretching session.
That would be fantastic. I will rest employee is a more productive employee.
So true. Do you think management will be open to this suggestion?
I think so. They always emphasizing employee satisfaction. It's just a matter of presenting of idea effectively.
Let's work on drafting a list of suggestions. We could even gather input from college to make it more comprehensive.
Great idea. Team effort will show that it's not just a personal whistling, but something the whole office could benefit from.
Agree. I'm excited about the possibility of making positive change.
Okay, let's go. I've been reflecting on our role here and wondering what your point of view as a employee in this company.
That's a deep question. I think overall, I'm proud to be part of a company that plays a key role in this distributing technology. What about you?
I feel the same. I like being part of something. I'm thoughtful, but sometimes I question whatever our voice as employee are truly heard.
That's a fair point. Do you mean in terms of decision making of general feedback?
But honestly, I feel like decisions often come from the top with without much input from us on the ground.
I agree. Sometimes it feels like we are just existing tasks rather than contributing ideas. Do you think there's room for improvement?
Definitely, I think management could involve employee more when setting goal or planning project.
That would be great. I believe employees would feel more engaged if they saw their input making a difference.
Exactly. Engagement is so important. What motivates you to stay engaged here, Chitra?
For me, it is the opportunity to learn and grow. I feel like every project teach me something new. What about you?
For me, it's knowing that our work helps us run more efficiently, but I also wish there were clearer career paths.
Same here. Career development is something I think the company could focus on more.
Absolutely. Have you ever brought this up in a meeting or to your manager?
I have mentioned it briefly, but it didn't lead to much. I think they are aware, but it might not be a priority.
That frustration, it feels like we are expected to grow within the company, but the tool of guidance aren't always there.
Exactly. I think mentorship programs or more regular performance review could help address this.
Good idea. And speaking of support, how do you feel about the resource we have? Do you our job effectively?
It's decent, but there's room for improvements. Sometimes we have given tight deadlines without the right tool or enough staff.
I feel the same. It can be stressful when expectations are high, but the support isn't proportional.
Agree. Do you think this is something we should raise with management?
Definitely, if multiple employees bring it up, they might take it more seriously.
True. On the flip side, what do you think the company does well?
I think the company is great to maintaining strong relationship with client and supplier. That stability is reassuring.
That's true, and I appreciate see how they have embraced sustainability initiatives recently. It shows they are thinking about the bigger picture.
I agree. It's nice to feel like we are part of a company that care about more than just profit.
Definitely, but coming back to employees, do you feel like the company recognize individual contribution enough?
Not really recognizing they tend to focus on team achievement rather than individual effort is motivating, but it could be more personal.
I feel the same. A simple thank you or acknowledgement during meeting could go a long way.
Exactly, it's those little things that make employee feel value.
So true. How do you think we, as employees, can help create a better work culture?
I think it starts with communication. We should openly share idea, give constructive feedback, and support one another.
That's great approach. And maybe we could initiate informal meet-up to build stronger connection among college.
I love that idea. When people feel connected, it created a more positive and productive environment.
Exactly. Do you think there's enough collaboration between departments?
Not really. Most teams seem to work in silos, which limit creativity and efficiency.
Agree. More cross-department project could help break down those barriers.
Yes, and it will also give us a better understanding of the company as a whole.
Absolutely. Have you ever thought about how your role contributes to the company's overall mission?
I have. I think my work ensure our client get the product they need on time, which directly impact their success.
That's a great way to look at it. For me, I see my role is as helping the company maintain its reputation through quality service.
That's a strong perspective. It's important to remember that every role has value, even if it's not always visible.
Exactly. But I think the company could do more to highlight how each department contributes to the bigger picture.
Agree. It will help employees feel more connected to the company mission.
Totally. Do you think our feedback sessions are effective?
Not really. They feel more like formality than genuine conversation.
I feel the same. Maybe if they were more frequent and informal, employees would feel more comfortable sharing.
Great idea. It's all about creating an environment where employees feel heard and respected.
It absolutely. Thanks for discussing this with me.
Likewise, Chitra, conversation like this remind me that we are on this together.
So true. Let's keep working toward a better environment, one step at a time.
Definitely. Thanks again, Chitra. Have a great day.
You too did it.
Thank you. Udah.
Kayak tadi Citra